Table calculations, working with nested table calculations. Table calculations can contain other table calculations. In essence, they become nested. This can be extremely powerful but a little tricky to conceptualize, but we'll try to present that in this lesson. So let's go back into Tableau. So what I want us to do is create a new worksheet. Let's call this nested table calculations. And we're just going to explore this concept. Again, the key is practice, practice, practice. Let's take orders and drop it in. Let's take state, and again, let's drop this in. What I want us to do is have a little bit of fun now. I want us to double click cells, TC min cells, and TC max cells. So as you can see, we are having TC max cells giving you the maximum in that row, so across the table. We have TC min cells doing the min, the same across the table. What I want us to do now is create a new calculated field called TC min max difference. And here we'll go TC max minus TC min. So we have TC min max, which is itself a table calculation which contains two table calculations within. Let's see what that looks like. Let's double click this to include this. Let's rearrange. So we have the min on the top, we have the max, and then we have the difference between the two. Now let's go to this, right click on this field, go to edit table calculations. The interesting thing to note is, as we done in the previous lesson where we configured our table calculations, when you have nested table calculations within table calculations, or within a formula, you actually have the option to adjust your calculations. What does this mean? It means that each of the table calculations can have a different configuration, specific dimensions, or addressing and partitioning. So this can be extremely useful. It can be a bit tricky. What I tend to do is put all of my table calculations into the tooltip and just view that, and then build up slowly and make sure that I have all the values that I want to. If you've done any of my tutorials on creating bespoke visualizations, this is what we do a lot of. But the key is I want to introduce this concept. Again, there's a few use cases where it's good. Sometimes it can get very complex, but the key to remember is that each table calculation has its own configuration. When you nest table calculations or combine them within a single calculated field, you have this option here. And the key thing is each table calculation can be treated 100% differently. So you can create some very interesting effects. So I want you to give this a try. Try to create your own nested calculations, explore this, and see what values you come up with. And remember, putting the values onto the tooltip so you could view them is a great way of doing it, especially if you don't want to see the values themselves. So in our case, we might not want to show min and max, and then just have the following, the difference. Again, hope you enjoyed this lesson. I hope this has given you food for thought. Let's progress to the next lesson.